have today settled on the PC-based or the tablet-based micro ATMs as the standard for providing financial services across the country. And the BC model has also been very well established. State Bank of India itself has more than 65,000 BCs working across the country providing financial services to the people. All these things were a facilitating factor when the Prime Minister announced this program of having a financial inclusion. By March 14, we had around 23 crores of accounts which had already been opened. Subsequently, in the last 6 months after the Jan Dhan Yojana has been started, we have opened more than 12.6 crores of accounts, of which State Bank of India has opened about 2.6 crores. So together with the previous one, it's around 4.5 to 5 crores of accounts under this. There can be many duplicate accounts which have been opened because people thought that they will get the insurance facility only if a new account is opened. So there can be duplicates, but this is the scale on which the accounts have been opened. The major contributor for the success of this, I think, is the constant follow-up that the Department of Financial Services made. I think this was one of the schemes where there used to be a weekly follow-up meeting at the level of Joint Secretary with all the bankers. Every week on Wednesday they will all meet and they will discuss issues from the ground. And they used to also have feedback from the ground to the Joint Secretary level. This kind of a follow-up was there, which enabled them to meet their target. But it is also very important to note that there were institutions which have been built in the last 5-6 years which facilitated in this task. One is the UIDAI, which issued the Aadhaar cards. The second is the National Payments Corporation of India, which provides a large number of services to these Aadhaar-based account transfers. And the third, in the last 6-7 years, the banks have created a huge number of business correspondents and who could actually do this account opening in a large scale. Now that the account opening process of the financial inclusion program is over, account inclusion opening is not the end of the scheme. The scheme needs to provide the financial literacy to the people. And second, it should also provide other ancillary services in addition to the debit and credit in the banking account, like insurance products and other cross-selling. If it is only a small loan of 5,000 rupees that this has been promised in this scheme, already I think our micro credit agents are already delivering it in the ground in large number of districts. We need to have only extended it. But financial inclusion really means that you should provide some amount of consistency in his living standards. He should also be able to build assets. He should be able to manage his risks better, and also savings and remittances products he should be in a position to consume.